Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. So, yesterday we have completed our lesson. What is the name of our lesson? All about Rani. We have learned about Rani's mother, about Rani's father, about Rani's grandparents, about Rani's pet, about Rani's brother. All about Rani, related to Rani. So, where do Rani live? Rani lives in Mumbai. Where does her mother work? She works in an office. Who is Rani's father? Rani's father is a doctor. Likewise, you have to remember all this. If you remember the lesson, if you have understood the lesson, now we can do next part of the lesson. What is the next part of our lesson? Grammar part. Do you know grammar part? You don't know. So, all of you open the textbook page number 3. Those who have textbooks, please open the textbook page number 3. Today we are going to learn about true or false. What is true or false? Do you know true or false? What is true or false? True or false means some sentence will be given. Some sentence will be given from the lesson part. These sentences are from the lesson part. If the sentence is right, what we have learned, what we have understood in the lesson, if the sentence is right, we have to put tick mark, that is called true. We have to, if the sentence is correct, we have to put tick mark, or you can write T, shortcut of true. It is true, that means it is real. Next, if the sentence is wrong, we have to put cross mark, that means false. So, true for tick mark and false for wrong mark. Now you have got somewhat idea. Now, shall we start? First one, all of you open textbook page number 3. Those who have textbook, please open textbook page number 3. Those who don't have the textbooks, you try to buy books as soon as possible. Okay. Now, first one, Rani studies in class 1. Rani studies in class 1. In which class Rani is studying? What we have learned? We have learned that Rani lives in Mumbai. She studies in class 1. She is 5 years old. So, here the sentence is given that Rani studies in class 1. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So, we have to put tick mark. Now, second one. Rani is 6 years old. Rani is 6 years old. In the lesson, what we have learned, what we have studied, what we have understood, that Rani is 5 years old. But here it is given that Rani is 6 years old. Rani is 6 years old. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. It is not a correct sentence related to the lesson. So, it is false. We have to put cross mark. Understood? See, Rani studies in class 1. It is true. It is correct. So, we have kept tick mark. So, second one, Rani is 6 years old. It is wrong. She is only 5 years old. So, this is wrong. This is wrong sentence. Yes or no? Next, third one. Rani's Rani's mother is a doctor. Ronnie's mother is a doctor. It is right or wrong? It is right, no? No. Yes, it is not right. Who is doctor? Rani's father is a doctor. Where does he work? He works in a hospital. He works in a hospital. Where does Rani's mother work? Rani's mother works in an office. So Rani, here third one it is given that Rani's mother is a doctor. Is it right or wrong? It is wrong. Fourth one. Rani likes to play with her brother. Rani likes to play with her brother. Is it right? Yes, it is right sentence, because in the lesson we have studied that Rani loves her brother. She likes to play with her brother. It is right sentence, no? No? So we have to put here tick mark. Fifth one. Now fifth one. Spot is very naughty. Spot is very naughty. Spot is very naughty. Who is Spot? My dog's name. Your dog's name? No. Who is Spot? Rani's dog's name. So, how was the dog in that lesson? He is very naughty. It is mentioned in the lesson that Spot is very naughty. So, this is right sentence. So, we have to put tick mark. Once again, all of you listen. Rani studies in class 1. It is correct sentence. So, we have kept tick mark here. It is true. Second one, Rani is 6 years old. Is Rani 6 years? She has 6 years. How old is she? She is only 5 years. In the lesson it is mentioned that she is only 5 years. Rani is 6 years old. So, this is wrong sentence. We have kept a cross mark. Third one, Rani's mother is a doctor. This sentence is also wrong. So, we have kept cross mark here. Rani likes to play with her brother. Yes, she loves her brother. She likes to play with her brother. This is correct sentence. Spot is very naughty. This sentence is also right sentence. Now, next, coming to B part. Answer these questions orally. All of you look textbook page number 3. Here 3 questions are there. Yes or no? Yes. These are the original questions you have to learn from this lesson. Previous videos I have written some questions that are related to the lesson. Means I have to test your memory. If you have learned that questions, you will be understanding the lesson perfectly. Okay. Now only 3 questions are the original questions of this lesson. I will write on the board. Question answers. First one. Where does Rani live? First one. Where does Rani live? She lives in my home. She lives in your home. or your friend's home, your relative's home. Where does she live? She lives in Mumbai. In the lesson we have learned that Rani lives in Mumbai. So what is the question? Where does Rani live? Rani lives in Mumbai. Rani lives in Mumbai. Say the spelling of Mumbai. I have told you to practice the hard words from this lesson. No? Have you all practiced the hard words of this lesson? These hard words are very useful while writing the question answers. What is the spelling of Mumbai? M U M B A I. Mumbai. Where does Rani live? Rani lives in Mumbai. Now, second question. Who is Raja? Who is Raja? Who is Raja? Raja is my brother, no? No, my friend, your brother or your friend. Then who is Raja? What we have learned in that lesson? Raja, he is a brother of Rani. Who is Raja? Raja is Rani's brother. Raja is Rani's brother. Who is Raja? Raja is Rani's brother. Third question. Where does Rani's mother work? Where does Rani's mother work? Answer. She works in school. She works in hospital. Then where does Rani's mother works? She works in an office. What we have learned from the lesson? Rani's mother works in an office. She likes to sing. So what is the question here? Where does Rani's mother work? Rani's mother works in an office. Once again, where does Rani live? Rani lives in Mumbai. M-U-M-B-A-I. Mumbai. Second one, who is Raja? Raja is Rani's brother. Brother, spelling of brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Third one, where does Rani's mother work? Rani's mother works in an office. Spelling of office, O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. Once again, coming to the part of true or false. Rani studies in class 1. It is true. Second one, Rani is 6 years old. It is false. Third one, Rani's mother is a doctor. Wrong. Fourth one, Rani likes to play with her brother. It is right. Fifth one, Spot is very naughty. It is true. You have to practice this true or false 5 times. And same way this question answers also 5 times. We will meet in next class. Thank you.